The race of the AI labs heats up.
Every so often, a technology captures the world's imagination. The latest example, judging by the chatter in Silicon Valley, on Wall Street, in corner offices, newsrooms and classrooms around the world, is Chat GPT. In 5 days after its unveiling in November, the artificially intelligent chatbot, created by a startup called OpenAI, drew 1 million users, making it one of the fastest consumer product launches in history. Microsoft, which has just invested $10 billion in OpenAI, wants Chat GPT-like powers, which include generating text, images and video that seem like they could have been created by humans to infuse much of the software it sells. When it comes to the sort of AI that is all the rage thanks to Chat GPT, though, the big battle is between Microsoft and Alphabet. To see whose tech is superior, The Economist has put both firms' AIs through their paces. With the help of an engineer at Google, we asked Chat GPT, based on an OpenAI model called GPT 3.5, and Google's yet-to-be-launched chatbot, built upon one called Lambda, a set of questions. These included 10 problems from an American maths competition. Find the number of ordered pairs of prime numbers that sum to 60, and 10 reading questions from America's SAT school leavers exam. Read the passage and determine which choice best describes what happens in it. To spice things up, we also asked each model for dating advice. Given the following conversation from a dating app, what is the best way to ask someone out on a first date? Neither AI emerged as clearly superior. Google's was slightly better at maths, answering 5 questions correctly, compared with 3 for Chat GPT. Their dating advice was uneven. Fed some real exchanges in a dating app, each gave specific suggestions on one occasion, and platitudes such as be open-minded and communicate effectively on another. Chat GPT, meanwhile, answered 9 SAT questions correctly, compared with 7 for its Google rival. It also appeared more responsive to our feedback and got a few questions right on a second try. On January 30th, OpenAI announced an update to Chat GPT, improving its maths abilities. When we fed the two AIs another 10 questions, Lambda again outperformed by 2 points. But when given a second chance, Chat GPT tied. The reason that, at least so far, no model enjoys an unassailable advantage is that AI knowledge diffuses quickly. Researchers from competing labs all hang out with each other, says David Haar of Stability AI. Many, like Mr. Haar, who used to work at Google, move between organisations, bringing expertise and experience with them. Moreover, since the best AI brains are scientists at heart, they often made their defection to the private sector conditional on a continued ability to publish their research and present results at conferences. That is partly why Google made public big advances, including the Transformer, a key building block in AI models, giving its rivals a leg up. The T in Chat GPT stands for Transformer. As a result of all this, reckons Yann LeCun, Meta's top AI boffin, nobody is ahead of anybody else by more than 2 to 6 months. These are, though, early days. The labs may not remain neck and neck forever. Google has reportedly issued a code red, fearing that Chat GPT could boost Microsoft's rival Bing search engine. Researchers at DeepMind say their firm, which has historically focused on game playing and science, is putting more resources into language modelling. Its chatbot, called Sparrow, may be unveiled this year.